Welcome back to our well project, and we have the next day. This is all nice and hardened, and in this video we are gonna continue and finish it all up nicely with rocks. Sounds. We started off this project on t-shirt and slowly keep adding extra layers even though summer is coming. But yeah, it's kind of annoying to work through this weather, super windy, cold, but we do want to finish it, so we gotta do what we gotta do. But first, before we get started with finishing it up, we do need to build the rebar that is gonna hold up the little roof. So let's go in the barn and build the two attachments. They don't look aligned, but
they're not supposed to be.
They're not supposed to be. Because if we would make them all four aligned, then the screws will
punch into
find each other. So we just went a bit off so we can twist them.
Can offset it, see? So the holes don't match. So these have finished drying. We did put rubber paint. I did not have pure black paint. It does make it a bit more leak looking, but we can always just go over in this front. We could sandpaper and make them nice if ever needed. But honestly, you're not really going to be looking at them up close. They are just meant to hold this whole structure up. And most importantly, I wanted the paint to be underneath, because that we cannot paint after. The rest we can paint after it's built. We can repaint it once, you know, it starts to rust. We can just repaint it all the time. And this rebar, of course, is all going to be hidden in concrete. So let's now attach these and then start building with the rocks. Which way do we want it?
That I don't know.
It honestly doesn't matter, but...
really good. Oh yeah, that's nice.
This you can fill.
Do I have?
Don't like it?
No. I like it. I like it. We just gotta find
Super
something.
beautiful. It's like a
Just gotta find something skinny
stone.
here.
like ambers or something.
Ambers.
Diamonds.
Ambers are orange.
Orange stones it has in the middle, like literally crystals. Orange crystals, diamonds, rubies. Rubies. Do you like it? It's like the crock goes. This diamond crock goes into the ruby
I
crock.
don't know if I like that one. It looks like a snail was walking. It's my not favorite. What is it, Millie? Are you worried of my health? Yeah, like let's go inside.
Millie, are you mixture?
Yeah, Millie. Millie, let's go inside.
Okay, I'll get cement. Do you like the way this ruby looks?
Licks or look. The ruby leak.
What's this, Millie? Cement.
Millie.
Millie, jag pattar inte cement.
Millie's like, let's please go inside.
Nej, Millie, jag pattar inte cement.
Wow.
Nej?
I don't see, but I guess. Oh, sunshine.
So, put your tool under so you can catch again.
That's what always happens.
Wow. That's called working with a farmer. Did I? Oh. You can take the cement if you need from that hole I threw it in. No? I don't think so.
I guess? No. It's a bit jiggly. Got that. No.
Kind of feels like I copied that stone.
Yeah. There you go.
It's just something about this spot.
A bit more out.
Huh?
I guess.
What do you think of this size?
I guess it's a nice one. But here and then another big one. Or I don't know. Like it's a lot of small ones here, I feel.
I'm finding the strength. God gives me strength to lift this stone. It's not far, it's not high, but it will take a lot of effort. Thank you, Jesus Christus.
Did he give you all of what you wanted?
I don't know, I don't feel it. Oh no, I'm on my knees and I'm begging. Oi, oi, oi.
Go. Oh my God.
Is that part of the exhibition? I love cementing.
That's the wrong rock, isn't it?
Yes.
What?
I didn't like it.
What is that piece?
Oops. Here we gotta put something. Oh, they got cold.
that the way we had it?
It was definitely flush with the wall, so.
Oh, that looks cool, no? That is flush. I keep changing rocks as the seats.
Tried every rock in the city.
Oh, this one is good for my bum.
Stone is no good.
I think the middle layer was the easiest layer.
Yeah, sure.
Because they were just like slamming stones.
I missed.
Last stone.
That is not the right stone.
What?
Is that
that is the right stone, yeah.
It doesn't fit anymore.
That was the one.
Yeah, but now it doesn't want to.
It fits so perfect. Okay, we figured it out. We added two. Because the previous one, I don't know how we had it, but it did not want to fit. And with that, it's done.
So after a long day, we have it all finished. As you can see, I think it looks definitely a lot better and it looks so much more huge and more medieval, kind of rustic look, kind of fitting the farmhouse that it should have. Probably originally the well was from wood, so they used to replace it in Soviet time with these rings, so that's kind of normal, so they didn't keep the old wells. But now we kind of just made it look like it's a really old well with being fully brand new, built by us. And then in the next video we will continue on the structure itself, so it's going to go upwards with a roof and everything is going to be quite complicated, but it's going to look good. I think first we're going to probably build the lid, so it's going to be a wood lid with a door that you open so you can still get access to the water if needed. Realistically, we don't need access to it unless we are cleaning or we're out of electricity and we need water. That's desperately. Otherwise, it's kind of just a closed hole for quite a while. So yeah, that's pretty much it with this video. Hope you enjoyed. Let us know in the comments if you like this look more than the concrete look, or if you just prefer it more like kind of minimalistic and just be concrete and put a concrete lid on it and done, or do you like this old school look instead? So yeah, hope you enjoy. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
I love it. It was definitely worth it, the whole work.
We used a lot of stones, by the way, for this.
Yes.